Then discuss about IC engine and classification of IC engine. IC engine means internal combustion engine, full express inside the engine cylinder. Okay, first classification of IC engine. IC engine classified according to its fuel: petrol, diesel, gas. Okay, fuel, petrol, diesel, gas. According to its stroke, 2-stroke and a 4-stroke. Then cylinder, single cylinder, multi-cylinder. Okay, IC engine classified according to cylinder, single cylinder, multi-cylinder. Then speedy, IC engine classified according to speedy: slow speedy, medium and high. Then ignition, IC engine classified according to its ignition, that is CI and SI. CI means compression ignition engine and SI means spark ignition engine. And hot spot engine, hot spot ignition engine. Then according to its cycle, IC engine classified according to its cycle, that is Otto cycle, diesel cycle and dual combustion cycle. Then IC engine classified according to its cooling: water cooled and air cooled and airless or solid injection engine. Okay, then IC engine classified according to its arrangement. First, vertical cylinder. Second, horizontal cylinder. Third, radial cylinder. Fourth, inline multi-cylinder. Then V-type cylinder. Then opposite cylinder. Then opposite piston type cylinder. IC engine classified according to arrangement: vertical cylinder, horizontal cylinder, radial cylinder, inline multi-cylinder, V-type multi-cylinder, opposite cylinder and opposite piston type cylinder. Then IC engine classified according to its valve mechanism. Okay, first overhead valve mechanism. Second, side valve mechanism. Overhead mechanism. Second, side head valve mechanism or side valve mechanism. Then IC engine classified according to its governing. First, heat and means governed engine. Second, qualitative governed engine. Third, quantitative governed engine. These are the classification of a IC engine. Okay, this is very important for a mechanical student. Thank you.